So the 360 concept is based on a single platform. It's also based on a single exterior design. What we've looked at is 4 different interior scenarios. A vehicle, for instance, that is your commute to work. So it picks you up in the morning, takes you to work, you have breakfast and enjoy watching the news. A second idea was actually to have an alternative to an office space. So you actually pick up a client, present your work projected onto the side screen, have fresh coffee, etc. And then we had a bit of fun with a kind of VIP party vehicle that would take you from maybe the client's hotel to a restaurant. And then the fourth one, which for me is the most interesting, is actually an alternative to air travel. Imagine a vehicle that picks you up from your home or work and takes you directly to your destination in another city for the next day.